Welcome to Make Salt Lake, a makerspace in Salt Lake City offering a world of creative possibilities. We offer our members affordable access to a comprehensive collection of tools and equipment in 9 different workspaces that anyone with any skill set can dream, design, tinker, invent, and build. Let's take a tour of our facilities and show you what we have to help you turn something you imagined into something real. Let's start in our wood shop, where you'll find professional woodworking tools to help you create your next project. Our SawStop table saw is surrounded by a 42 square foot table, making it easy to maneuver full sheets of plywood. Our miter saw, jointer, planer, lathes, and sanders are perfect for your solid wood projects. A selection of handheld power tools, including drills, sanders, jigsaws, routers, and more, help you make your project really come together. On the high-tech side, we also offer an X-Carve CNC, a computer-operated 3D carving machine that can carve projects in wood as well as a variety of plastics. When it's time for finishing your wood projects, we have a dust-free room with a variety of clamps and table space to do your glue-up and other finish work. Next up is our metal shop, featuring a wide selection of metalworking tools. Here you'll find multiple bench grinders, angle grinders, and several sets of hand tools and power tools for a variety of metalworking projects. Our welding program features MIG, TIG, and oxyacetylene welders. The metal shop also features larger equipment such as a drill press, horizontal bandsaw, plasma cutter, sandblasting cabinet, and 2 custom-made forges. For more advanced metal fabrication and machining projects, our machine shop is equipped with professional-level machining tools that you usually don't find at a community-run makerspace. The mill, lathe, and surface grinder are the core of the machine shop, as well as the computer-operated Tormax CNC. In addition, you'll find a wide range of tooling available for these machines, as well as high-precision measuring equipment, calipers, micrometers, gauges, and indicators. Let's explore our prototype lab, where you'll find a variety of high-tech equipment to turn your ideas into reality. First up are the 2 laser cutters. Our full-spectrum 90-watt laser cutter features a 24 by 36-inch bed, and our R2 100-watt laser cutter has a 24 by 40-inch bed. Both provide simple interfaces, quality cutting and etching speeds. They are each capable of cutting and etching a wide variety of materials, including acrylic, wood, leather, plastics, and wood composites, as well as etching glass and stone. The prototype lab is also where you'll find our 3D printing program. We have a variety of FDM printers that use a range of materials, including PLA and PETG, as well as our light commercial Stratasys Fortis printer for ABS. In addition, you'll find our resin printers that are wonderful for creating miniatures with extra detail, like tabletop game pieces. Also in the prototype lab is our electronics bench with multiple soldering stations, multimeters, oscilloscopes, wire cutters, hand tools, and more. Members can work on circuit boards, test power systems, and teach themselves the basics of electronics. Many of our members use this area to build wiring systems, robotics, and other small electronics projects. The electronics bench also has a selection of parts and components available for members to access. So we all know that software access is an important part of making and creating, and Make Salt Lake offers many options for members to access, including Easel Pro, Fusion 360, Mastercam, the full Adobe suite including Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere video editing software, along with Hatch embroidery software. And just outside the prototype lab is our spray painting booth, a 6-foot by 8-foot enclosed space with a large exhaust fan and bright LED lighting for year-round painting, finishing, and spraying. And just outside at Make Salt Lake, you'll find an active van life community with members utilizing our many workshops to renovate and upgrade the interiors of their vans, small vintage buses, and other vehicles. We also offer dedicated parking for active renovation projects for our members. Next on the tour is our print shop. Here you'll find a variety of printers, office supplies, and craft equipment for many types of projects. Our laser printer can quickly do small or large batches of color or black and white prints. Our 24-inch large format printer prints photo quality prints from small to poster sizes. We also provide a selection of useful office tools, including several button makers of different sizes, a spiral binder, laminator, tri-fold brochure maker, paper cutters, label makers, and more. Our final workspace in this tour is our Textiles Lab. Here, you'll find our basic sewing and heavy-duty sewing machines, sergers, and our Husqvarna Viking embroidery machine, as well as a selection of scissors, rotary cutters, seam rippers, and so much more for a variety of sewing projects. Our large cutting table provides great working space for garments and upholstery. Our textiles lab also features our vinyl cutting and sublimation printing programs. Our large format vinyl cutter, as well as several Cricut machines, can cut all sorts of designs from materials like paper, vinyl, cardstock, and iron-on transfers. Our sublimation printer includes a variety of heat press equipment to create custom designs on mugs, clothing, mouse pads, and more. So in addition to all of the great equipment at Make Salt Lake, we offer a large variety of educational offerings. From safety certification classes for many of our tools and workshops to a diverse selection of hands-on learning options, you can discover exciting new skills or add to your own expertise. Make Salt Lake is much more than a comprehensive collection of tools and equipment. It's a collaborative community to meet, socialize, and share your experiences and skills with others as you perfect your own. Visit us online at makesaltlake.org for information about memberships and in-person tours. This is the future of making, and it's yours to explore. This is Make Salt Lake. What do you want to make today?